Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta medicine. First, gather your ingredients: flour, eggs, water, and the medicine you plan to use. It's crucial to have everything ready before you begin. Next, prepare your workspace, ensuring it's clean and organized. This method simplifies the process, making it accessible for everyone. We'll focus on a straightforward approach to ensure success. Now, let's prepare your medicine. If it's a solid, crush it into a very fine powder using a mortar and pestle or a pill crusher. This ensures it blends smoothly into the dough. For liquid medicines, dissolve them in a minimal amount of water or a neutral oil. Accurate measurement of both medicine and pasta ingredients is vital for consistent results and proper dosing. With your medicine prepared, it's time to mix the dough. Gradually combine the medicine mixture with your flour, eggs, and a little water. Knead the dough vigorously for about 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. This ensures the medicine is evenly distributed throughout. Then, roll out the dough to your desired thickness and cut it into shapes like fettuccine or ravioli, ready for cooking. Finally, let's talk about cooking and storage. Cook your medicated pasta gently in boiling water, just until al dente, to avoid degrading the medicine. Overcooking can reduce its effectiveness. Once cooled, store the pasta in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, or freeze it for longer preservation. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade medicated pasta.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.